are budding the leaves. My neighbor's grandchild is begging him, please come outside. Our garden's creatures have come to greet us. I hear a robin eagerly singing her song. Have you ever heard a welcome so warm that sounds like ooh, take a moment, ooh, breathe it in this air and breathe out again, 'cause it all begins again. All of my worries like snow melt away, a balm for my spirit, only if just for a day. A kiss for I love you, a wink for me too. Winter was long, but the spring's a reminder of new. For something so true.